Understanding Joint Task Forces, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. In this session, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, joint task forces. This term is commonly used in various contexts, especially in military, law enforcement, and project management. Understanding such phrases can enhance your English comprehension and communication skills. So, let's dive in. Before understanding the phrase as a whole, it's important to look at the individual words. Joint. This word implies something that is done together or shared by two or more parties. Task. A task refers to a piece of work or a duty. Forces. In this context, it usually means groups of people, often in military or law enforcement. Putting it together, joint task forces are groups formed from different organizations or units, working together on a specific task or mission. Joint task forces are often mentioned in military operations. Here, it refers to units from different branches of the military, like the Army, Navy, and Air Force, combining their efforts. Law enforcement. Different law enforcement agencies, like the police, FBI, etc., may form a joint task force to tackle complex cases. Business and project management. In these areas, it refers to teams from different departments or companies collaborating on a project. Understanding the context is crucial to grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Let's look at some examples to see how joint task forces are used in sentences. 1. The United Nations formed a joint task force to provide relief in the aftermath of the earthquake. 2. A joint task force between the local police and the FBI was set up to investigate the cybercrime network. These examples show how the phrase is applied in real-life situations. It's helpful to know some synonyms or related phrases. Combined task force, interagency task force, collaborative team. Knowing these can help you recognize similar concepts in different contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify what joint task forces means and how you can use it in your English conversations and understanding. Remember, encountering such phrases is a great opportunity to expand your English vocabulary. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.